Speak up.
So I'm trying to get the last trick right.
As soon as you pull out the camera, eh?
Yep. Did you at least get the last one? No?
Don't put big ruts. I don't want to be out there all fucking day. I mind going out there every 10, 15 minutes, but fuck, I don't want to have to sit in that fucking passer all fucking day.
That's great. Thanks, John. You're welcome.
We're trying to speak black to it.
I'm gonna put the camera away and it's gonna start making a sound again.
So you just gotta leave it on camera, but not looking at it. Oh, that's fine.
Fuck, you got a pretty limber neck there, bud.
Half hour. Wait.
As soon as he put it away, oh no.
I just kept it on that time. I'm telling you, it's trying to talk to us.
Ah, it's telling us give me more fucking Ultra chips. What happened to those Oreos you had yesterday? That's what it's probably thinking. It's chocolate chip cookies.